Okay. Bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day. Hai semuanya, hari ini suami kerja di kantor, jadi saya mau nganter dia sambil exercise. Sampurasun!
Krampus.
Hai semua, hari ini suami kerja di kantor, jadi
Baby.
saya mau antar dia ya, jalan kaki soalnya kantornya deket dari rumah.
Going to work now.
Yes, I know.
Running late. Hurry up, lady.
That's why I tell to them. Oke. Angkutan itu libur. Ini namanya tram. Jadi mau kemana-mana sekitaran agak susah. Maksudnya yang kalau mau ke daerah pantai, mau ke farmasi, biasanya aku naik ini. Sekarang mereka nggak beroperasi. Enak banget nih cuacanya, ada matahari. Wait, di sana stasiun kereta. Jadi tempat tinggal kami itu benar-benar enak, very convenient, right? Sangat mudah buat naik kereta. Kalau mau ke sini sekitar 3 jam ya. Tapi sekarang udah dilarang mana-mana, harus di suburb masing-masing. Is it green? Not yet green. Mataharinya building public school, right?
This is when you need to bring this in again.
What is it? Oh, yeah. Ini panas, tapi ada angin sedikit sepoi-sepoi. Sampai tempat kerjaan suami saya. Dia telat, masih ada 5 menit. Enak banget cuaca hari ini. Oke. Sebelum masuk ya harus tutup dulu pakai. Oke. Bye baby.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye bye. Shoot. Have a good day. Suamiku dia sudah keluar dari office. Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Jadi lagi jemput suami nih. Jadi jalannya
Video, the
itu
boats, yeah?
ya. Jadi jalannya kita beda jalan ya, beda jalur. Tadi sebelah kanan, sekarang lewat jalur kiri.
This is Newcastle Boat Club.
Newcastle Boat Club. Sometimes coming the big ship, right?
Not the yachts. These are yachts. The ships come around the other corner.
Oh, not here.
No.
Okay.
Look, see over there? In the distance, the grain silos. The big ships go on the other side of that.
So where are they going?
They're going to the coal.
Oh, the coals. They drop or pick up or what?
They pick it up.
They pick it up, the
This
coals.
is the largest coal port in the world.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Oh, jadi ini katanya what is it called? Largest coal?
Port.
Oke, jadi ini pelabuhan batu bara terbesar di dunia katanya. Really? In the world? Nggak tahu lagi apa. What is this? What
This
they
will
making?
be probably new apartments like all these, yeah?
Okay. I think nice if move here.
Well, you want to move into one of the new places?
No.
Or you want to move on the boat? Do you live on the boat?
Oh, it's cold. Jadi
This one, it's probably navigation tower, so the big ships up there can see which way they're going.
Oke, jadi ini tower buat kontrol itu katanya mungkin buat kontrol perahu. No, ship itu. So many construction here. Where are they gonna make it here? What?
More buildings like this one, apartments.
Yeah, but this is exactly in the.
Yeah, this is going to be on the edge of the road, and then the road will be over here after they're finished. And then the walking path will be all the way down the water.
Oh, nice. Oh, it's cold. Yang tinggi itu, this is the tall one or no?
Yeah, the tall one.
But we live not in the tall one,
No,
right?
we're on level 5 at the back.
Ya. Jadi itu yang tinggi, bangunan yang tinggi itu tempat kita tinggal ya teman-teman. Jadi kita adanya di belakangnya di lantai 5. Sekarang udah jam 5 lebih sore ini. Jadi kita masuknya lewat sebelah kiri ini. Inilah tempat tinggal. Supermarket yang satunya. Jadi kita sekarang masuknya dari sebelah kiri ya. Tadi pagi kita kan dari sebelah kanan sana. Dari sebelah kiri. Oke, kita udah sampai apartemen ya. Oke, kita udah sampai di apartemen kita. Mari pulang, marilah pulang. Terima kasih semuanya udah mengikuti perjalanan kita antar jemput suamiku tercinta, Akang Brett. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Dadah.
Dadah.
Terima kasih ya teman-teman semuanya udah mengikuti perjalanan saya antar jemput suami. Teman-teman jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe YouTube channel saya biar saya tambah semangat lagi ya buat video-videonya. Terima kasih. Sampurasun. Dah.